So ke umuntu wesifazana abafethu ebunyangeni is very powerful. Umuthi ngokwakhe. Asicale emabeleni. Umuntu wesifazana ibele lakhe liphuma ubisi. Ubisi lomuntu wesifazana can heal izinto eziningi emntwaneni nakuwe umuntu omdala ngokwesiko. Umntwana mengaba nenkinga yamehlo wayothola ukuthi kuthungekile umntwana simenza ngomuntu oncelisa. Iperiod yomuntu wesifazana azange ngithwasile ngaze ngaqeda mina. Azange ugobela bamwazi wathi ngoba wena usesikhathini ungawuphathi lo muthi. Wanginikeza imithi wangibonisa ukuthi wabona uma usesikhathini lo nalo awuthinti. But the rest ngiyakhona ukuzenza. Akekho umuntu ozofela esigodlweni sami ngoba mina ngisesikhathini ngizomlapha. Akekho umuntu engizohluleka ukuthi ngimenzele anything concerning umuthi ngisesikhathini. Amathambo okuhlola amathambo wami. Angithi why ngingakhona ukuhlola mina ngisesikhathini ngamathambo wami? Iqiniso lithi mangabe ngisesikhathini ngikwatile mina nawe sikwatelene. It's very easy ukuthi ukudla kwami ukujikela esiswini mangabe ngisesikhathini. Siyakhulekisana thina masesikhathini and ngizokukhulekisana na izokupheka ke kahle impilo yakho. Omunye ubaba uye wangitshela wathi gogo ngifuna ukuza kuwe but ngicela ungitshele mhla usesikhathini ngoba bathe insebenzo yami izokhonakala if inyanga khona isesikhathini. Angazi bekabhuloka but I know that it happens sometimes.
Wow.
Umuntu wesifazana makase esikhathini umntwana makase esikhathini mandulo abazali bebekhona ukuthi mawona ukuthi lo ngathi sekaqalile ukugijima nabafana. Ogogo phela bayashesha ukubona. Babona ukuthi sekaqalile ukugijima nabafana. Bebathatha ibhodlela eli clean enelid ezoba tight. Uzugogo akubuza ukuthi so yesikhathini this month yebo mama ngile. Lethi iphethe ithi ngibo. Angeke wale phela. Angithi ufuna ukumprovela ukuthi ngempela uyile. Uyamnikeza iphethe. Aligoca kahle, alifake ebhodleleni, alifase, aligubhele. Angeke uzuprek. Angeke uzuprek besipreventa kanjalo kudala. Intombazana iyakwazi ukubopha indoda ukuthi ingakhoni ukulalana namanye amantombazana ngeperiod. Uyakhona kumsebenzisela iperiod yakhe ayenze leyo nsebenzo ambopha. Oh, there's this thing bengithi ngibaxoxela ngayo ngithi mina ubhuti wami menengane as uantu wengane mangabe ngiyayisola leyo ngane ukuthi ubhuti wami ngathi bamshaya indlela. Ingane khona mangaba intombazana good shot. Ngiyokhona kumcheka ukuthi mina naye sigazi linye na.
Kanjani manje?
Mangabe esesikhathini.
I want to understand now, intimacy during period. Is it because
Okay. Yeah. Okay, both umuntu othwasile nongathwasile kuyafana.
Yeah.
Biologically. Mawulala nomuntu asesikhathini kumnandi futhi siyathembana akunankinga. Inkinga iba spiritually.
Okay.
Remember ukuthi thina siya absorb abantu besifazana but ngaleso sikhathi is for us to release. Angithi number 1 umzimba uyaziklina.
Okay.
Number 2 mina masesikhathini my vibrations are a bit higher. Now,
ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another interesting episode of Munchies and Thoughts. Your host, Chef Patanani Mbata. Hello everyone, welcome to another interesting episode of Munchies and Thoughts. My name is Patanani. I am your chef, darling. Not just the chef, but the chef of the nation, darling. If you don't know me, you are lying. But I know you guys know me. And I want to say thank you so much for your love and support. Darlings, I am a second-time author. this book called It Ends in Pebbles. You do need this book because you'll understand what I mean by saying it ends in pebbles. I started by On My Own. Now
Yes.
it ends. I can't wait to write about love.
I wonder.
I can't wait. And I really can't wait to write about munchies and thoughts.
Yeah.
Like, you know,
Ifuna manje le engathi
it's going to be big and
incwadi.
it's going to be a lot. And you know what, ne? But anyway, I want to say thank you so much for your love and support, guys. These people are really amazing.
Yes.
I'm sure by end of this week we'll
Yes.
be 400,000 on Facebook. And you know, because I always see you there as well. You know
The number
how
is rising every day.
engaging they are. Baphinde bangive futhi
Yes.
indaba
Yes.
zami.
Why
And
usbanban? Why
you
usbanban?
get it. But I really love them. And to have a family much and thoughts, it really warms my heart. And I want to say thank you so much. Anyway, you guys love Ugogo, Umashabalala. I saw them
Yes.
say Mashabalala.
Yes.
And she is here because you know I always keep my promise. My darling, let's do things ngendlela. Please introduce yourself. Who are you? Where you from? What's special about you? And you are more than welcome to leave your number if you want. But so please, because honestly,
Hi.
I can't take this hit now. You know, the more we grow, the hit.
Ayingiyibona indaba yamanamba engiyibonile ayangeke mfethu
Sana
ayangeke.
iyangibulala. Yo.
Yo.
Bengitshela nomazibuko ngithi hayi ngeke abantu beni bayangihlupha.
Thokozani ukokushabalala lona intombazana semabuluka ngihlala eRabukala kodwa manje. I'm a professional teacher, I'm a traditional mentor and guider, founder and president of Abatshali Bemithi Traditional Healers Organization. Thokozani bayangazi abamanjisi. Bayangazi.
Hayi ngizamile ukuthi ngimcela inamba ke and nizobona ke my munchies because I can't give people's numbers. You all know the respect I have for my guest. I think it's the respect you also need to have for me.
Please.
When I can't give the numbers. It's not that I don't want. Because
I
see some of the comments, they will comment as if I don't want to give them a number. But number when are private and
yes. So apala kuma comments.
Yes.
So apala kuma comments.
Anyway, thank you so much. We are growing every day. What I want to say to you, I don't take you for granted. And I want to say thank you so much every time when I'm asking you to visit us, to come and educate. You are always there.
Yeah.
Ngicela ukuthi wazi ukuthi awenzeli mina kodwa wenzela the people. Abantu bayaphila ngematches and thoughts.
Yes.
Abantu bayaphola ngematches and thoughts. You know, one of the email I got was this lady telling me ukuthi yazi I've been following you from day one.
Yeah.
Uyangipholisa bengilimele kulolu hambo lakwamoya.
Hey.
Ngingedwa. But right now I know ukuthi every Tuesday there is something unokudla ngizokuthola.
And the answers, they get answers about
yes. So honestly speaking, niyangiphilisa namamanchies wami. And even now I have so many questions, but now I know like umuntu wangirobha manje uyakudlala ngami. But anyway, Gogo Shabalala, thank you so much. Ngicela educate.
I always teach.
Yes. Mara you know mangiqala nje ngibeka lapho. Kusho ukuthi nje ngizothi nje energies. But can you talk about the feminine energy? Umuntu wesifazane kunenye manje uyangicela you know I don't name them. Ukuthi nje cela nje umuntu ozosifundisa ngezinto zabantu besifazane.
Yeah, ngibonile nami ukuthi bebe khuluma kakhulu ngayo kuma comments.
Okay.
No, asiqale yangaze ngithanda ukucela ngeinyanga. Umuntu wesifazana umuntu owumlaphi wendabuko. There is a saying ukuthi umuntu wesifazana makanjani akumelanga enzeni. Umuntu wesifazana makanjani. Once waba umlaphi waphatha ishoba mntase. You are ordained to be a custodian. Ungizwe kahle. Umuntu wesifazana owayenzelwa into zamasiko kahle wathwasa waqeda. Wathelwa nangenyongo enkomo ekhaya. Wanikezwa ishoba nomalume amnikeza ishoba. You are ordained, you are now a custodian yamasiko kini. Yes, kunezinto ezofuna amadoda noma ukhona. but you are a custodian. So lokho ukuthi wena uzoba oppressed ngezinto ngoba kuthiwa thina masinjani njani sisuka singcolile masinjani njani sinjani ngoba umzimba wethu ngokwawo kufana negalaxy kushintsha noma yinini izinto zazenzakalela emzimbeni wethu. We can produce kids, sinisibeletho, siyahogela, senzani. So ke umuntu wesifazana abafethu ebunyangeni is very powerful, umuthi ngokwakhe. Asicale emabeleni. Umuntu wesifazana ibele lakhe liphuma ubisi. Ubisi lomuntu wesifazana can heal izinto eziningi emntwaneni nakuwe umuntu omdala ngokwesiko. Umntwana mengaba nenkinga yamehlo, wena uthola ukuthi kuthungekile, umntwana simenza ngomuntu oncelisayo, uyakhona ukuthi abe right. Khona into ukuthi uthola ukuthi abantwana amehlo abo aphuma what ubisi lomuntu oncelisayo. Unokuba bathini lokho bathini lokho okuphuma elihlo uthola ukuthi ilihlo lakho seliyavuvuka selibanjani njani out of the blue ibisi. Mangabe akhomntwana one pampers one napkin enemchamo wenzwa ngayo umntwana umchamo umntwana wasekuseni angithi, but nobisi lomuntu wesifazana oncelisayo. Khona abantu abahlushwa isevere isilungulela, samnikeza ubisi lomuntu wesifazana sasemabeleni. So ke umuntu wesifazana kwayena umzimba wakhe umuthi. Asiye esibelethweni. Umuntu wesifazana unfortunately ke isibeletho sethu sineyinkinga ke bafethu inyanga usinyanga nje. Ingakho I always advise ukuthi make sure that you cleanse your womb most of the time, at least once a month. Steamer ngaphansi iwomb yakho ikhona ukugezeka. Uhlala etoilet uthatha ama infection siyahogela thina abantu besifazana. So iwomb kumele ihlale iclean. Kukhona izinto esizenzayo ngizobatshela ngibaplage ukuthi njengoba amadoda these days phela amadoda asidelela ngithi khona izinto esizenzayo esinezibeletho. Mangabe ufuna ukudila kahle nendoda yakho masekudeleli kahle ngoba wena unesibeletho. How? Yeah. Right, sizoza lapho. There is this saying ukuthi umuntu wesifazana makasesikhathini akangena endumbeni maku umlaphi wendabuko. Ngizoyibeka nje ngendlela engiyazi ngayo. Uyithatha yakayithathe, ungayithatha akayithathe. Right, i-period yomuntu wesifazana, it can make, it can break. Mangabe usesikhathini umuntu wesifazana and there is a full moon, ne? Uyakhona ukuthi ume ngaphandle awunamuthi awufuna ukuya enyangeni usesikhathini, you can make that sibiza ngensebenzo. It's a ritual just mara uyenze ngendlela right ngeguidance yomlaphi wendabuko ungazenzela we1 uthola sozibophe kakhulu. Uyama and you face it and you break ama cases akuwe only mawuse sikhathini. Right, as I said ukuthi ngizoyisho ngendlela engiyazi ngayo. I-period yomuntu wesifazana azange ngithwasile ngaze ngaqeda mina. Azange ugobela bamwazi wathi ngoba wena usesikhathini ungawuphathi lo muthi. Wanginikeza imithi wangibonisa ukuthi wabona ama usesikhathini lo nalo awuthinti. But the rest ngiyakhona ukuzenza. Akekho umuntu ozofela esigodlweni sami ngoba mina ngisesikhathini ngizomlapha. Akekho umuntu engizohluleka ukuthi ngimenzele anything concerning umuthi ngisesikhathini. Amathambo okuhlola amathambo wami. Angithi why ngingakhona ukuhlola mina ngisesikhathini ngamathambo wami? Ngingcolisa bani? Amathambo wami esigodlweni sami. You understand? So ke it's kugcwele nje. Bengifuna ukuthi I just wanted to put it there. Ukuthi bafethu ungazigodli ukuthi wena ngoba usesikhathini awukhona ukwenza in awukhona ukwenza in sizokutrace ukuthi wena ngesikhathi seso usesikhathini and wena mawusesikhathini awukwazi ukubamba umuthi kula sizogadla khona because siyazi ukuthi angeke ugijimele emthini usesikhathini sesiyazi ukuthi wena unjani. Kukhona insebenzo esizenzayo zinyanga uthola ukuthi umuntu wakhona uzothi usesikhathini angithi bengikhuluma ngenye last kwenye ivideo yami ngithi umuntu ohlenguliwe wenza kanjani maka sesikhathini. So ke kukhona insebenzo okhona uzenza ukuziphindisela only mosesikhathini. Uphethe amakhandlela wakho relevant ugqoke irrelevant uyahamba uyogubha lapho wenza whatever uyenzayo as long as usesikhathini. Bengitshela abantwana bami ngithi mina mangifemba mina akisho wonke umuntu ngisho mina mangifemba ngiyazi ukuthi uyazizwa phela mawuzuya angithi nendlela yakho uyayicheka uyazizwa phela ukuthi yabona la ngathi izizwe ukhala angithi mawufemba udonsa imikhokha ezinye isala nawe mangisesikhathini mina ngifila ukuthi ngiba safe because of kuyobalula ukuthi imikhokha ingahlali kimi isikhathi eside then ngikhona ukuzilungisa than mangingekho esikhathini. Mina mangisesikhathini ngifila ukuthi I'm powerful. I connect kahle ne-nature. I connect kahle no-Mother Moon. I connect kahle nomkhulwane. Ngisesikhathini. It's a special time for me. Khona insebenzo zebhavu engizenzayo mina. Mangabe umuntu ngibona ngathi into zakhe ayihambi kahle indaba zenhlanhla and all that. Ne? Umuntu wakhona uthola ukuthi izibongo ihlangahlangene kwathini. Sebenzisa le bhavu only mosesikhathini. Kubalula and I got ngingathola ama positive feedbacks from that. So I'm talking about something that I know. Right. Kukhona abantu besifazana abangenwa amakhehla. Khona abantu besifazana abe umuntu wesifazana but abe yi-alpha. I-energy yakhe iyadominate babo. Ungena endlini uzobona nobaba wakhona makangena endlini ukuthi udelela ngaphandle makafika kwakhe uyagoba. Hayi ngoba umfazi umdlisile, hayi ngoba umfazi umenzani because of the woman energy yakhe is masculine but umuntu wesifazana isithunzi sakhe kwayena eyimeli lapha siyadominate lapha endlini. Makukhulume yena kuphelile. Singam-advise ngendlela esim-advise ngakhona asidelele ngesikidlela but mayifika kunkosikazi wakhe he knows. Manje ke umuntu wesifazana oyinyanga angithi nje ngicala ngeinyanga kukhona lokho ukuthi uzoba nomgidi wamantshomani uzoba nesishiso mhlambe ukhapha umntwana ekhaya kuyohlatshwa angithi mangabe umntwana uba sesikhathini ngelanga lentwaso siyawumisa umntwaso umsebenzi ngoba yena usesikhathini. We planned for 3 months. Masibeka idate ngedate akhona umntwana kumele ayodla inyongo ayodla intwaso usesikhathini. Simisa kanjani isikhathi segazi? Ilanga legazi kuyahlatshwa. Akukho ukuthi uzopostpone umntwana uzongena iloko enjalo. Umdzawo usebenza ngegazi in most cases. Why umntwana angakwazi ukuparula umdzawo wasesikhathini? And it's not like sizobe sithi umntwana angithi it's a norm ukuthi sithi basesikhathini bathi singcolile. Singcole ngoba amadoda behlezi especially izinyanga laba abathi bazi amasiko. Maybe ngathi mawusesikhathini ungcolile just to suppress basenze sibe obedient. Omunye uzokutshela ukuthi mawusesikhathini ungangiphekeli. Angithi indoda esiko or inyanga. Fine. Angeke ngikuphekele. But iqiniso lithi mangabe ngisesikhathini ngikwatile mina nawe sikwatelene it's very easy ukuthi ukudla kwami ukujikela esiswini mangabe ngisesikhathini. Siyakhulekisana thina masesikhathini and ngizokukhulekisana na izokupheka ke kahle impilo yakho. Omunye ubaba uye wangitshela wathi gogo ngifuna ukuza kuwe but ngicela ungitshele mhla usesikhathini ngoba bathe insebenzo yami izokhonakala if inyanga khona isesikhathini. Angazi bekabhulokwayo but I know that it happens sometimes.
Wow, thank you.
So umuntu wesifazana abafethu ebunyangeni
Bewukhuluma ngalo baba lo othe ufuna ukuzohlola kuwena.
ubengahloli uhloliwe
Okay, yes, bewulapha.
uhloliwe wafemba or something like that and then what decide ukuthi lensebenzo uke wangibona angazi watshela ubani ukuthi ungibone angiyenza but icondition yakhe was ngimtshele mhla ngisesikhathini ngoba it was said ukuthi lento kumele iyenzwe inyanga khona yomuntu wesifazana asesikhathini so it's there and ubheke umuntu wesifazana makashaya impinda noma agadla ngomuthi asesikhathini akufani noma maka normal amandla khona abafani kukhona abantu especially khona labantu abathi mina umuntu ozilile ofake irole noma umuntu osesikhathini intombazana mesesikhathini ayingena isigodlweni sami ne yibo labo sharp banama reasons wabo remember ngakutshela ukuthi ebunyangeni amadoda hlezi afuna ukuba phezulu kwethu hlezi and manje amandla wedlozi abafani we understand asiphiwanga ngokufana le engiphiwe ngingayizaka ukuthi isizwe wena ngendlela ekungukuthi wena mawuzenzela angeke ngizekusiza ngoba ngumuntu wesifazana ngesikhathi mhlambe mina ngisesikhathini ngaso khona imithi exutswa ngeperiod kuze khona ukusebenza unfortunately ke imithi egangayo but khona imithi esixubayo so that ikhona ukusebenza khona imithi yokudonsa eyisebenzisayo ingakho uthola ukuthi kuthiwa umuntu utshontsha ama pads wabantu kusuka kwenzwani imikhuba leyo
So lama pads lawa you can't use your own pads. You need to get pads somewhere else.
No. You can use your own. Mangabe uyazenzela wena.
Okay.
You use your own. Okay. But angithi manje mangabe ngiyindoda and then kuthiwa mele ngibe nama pads wabantu besifazana anegazi. Mangabe lento yamele isebenze. Obviously ngizofuna iplan ukuthi angithi silahle ama dustbin these days. Umuntu ayofuna angilethele ngimnikeze imali then ngikhandele into engikhandayo. Umuntu wesifazana makase esikhathini umntwana makase esikhathini mandulo abazali bebekhona ukuthi mawona ukuthi lo ngathi sekaqalile ukugijima nabafana ogogo phela bayashesha ukubona babona ukuthi sekaqalile ukugijima nabafana bebathatha ibhodlela eli clean enelid ezoba tight uzugogo akubuza ukuthi so yesikhathini this month yebo mama ngile lethi iphethe ngibo angeke wale phela angithi ufuna ukumprovela ukuthi ngempela uyile uyamnikeza iphethe aligoca kahle alifake ebhodleleni alifase aligubhele angeke uzuprek besipreventa kanjalo kudala namanje khona abantu abasakwenza ngoba lento ukuthi indoda mayizonguthola ngiphuza ama prevention pills singakavumelani ukuthi akasafuna abantwana kanti mina I feel ukuthi is enough uyayivala iphethe yakho uyayigubhela angeke uzuprek na uyenze ngesintu iphethe yakho yasekuseni yokucala ngegazi lokucala unfortunately with this one uzomenza umntwana akho angithi uthi umsavela ukuthi angapreka sesemncane ne ube nenkinga wena ushone noma ukhohlwe ukuthi igubhele kuphi noma ukhohlwe ukuthi uke wagubhela iphet lakhe angithi sekakhulile umntwana sekayalobolwa manje sekukumele ukuthi sekuyisikhathi phela udinga ukuzala sekuyinkinga akakhona ukuconceive uyohamba kuma gynecologist bazomtshela ukuthi akunankinga umzimba wakho awunankinga because there is nothing physically ethi awuzali but spiritually ufanelekile inzalo yakho ivaliwe
dangerous ke le
yes mangabe uzoyenza mawuceda lapho kungabi nomuntu ozomkhomba noma ungamtsheli then umntwana uzoba nenkinga in the long run but mangabe uyasola ukuthi khona umuntu owantshontsha iphet lakho noma owantshontsha iphenti lakho elinegazi wayolenza whatever or wahamba wayoligubhela ingakho ungazali noma bebekuhlola noma bekufemba or bakwenzani wathola ukuthi khona into enjalo there is a way of reversing it Remember I told you ukuthi umuntu wesifazana makasesikhathini can break ama-curses, can break izinto ezimvalile. Because that is when you are most powerful. Ulinda makune red moon. Waba nenhlanhla nje kwaba ne red moon ngaleso sikhathi uthola ukuthi nawe usesikhathini. You can break anything. Futhi mina I always advise abantu besifazana ukuthi mawubona I red moon usesikhathini ungasalindi ukuchecka ukuthi mhlawumbe unebhadi or kwenzakala nayo. Sala so breaker lokho khona.
To be safe.
Yes, breaker lokho khona. Yabona ke ufakazisa umhlaba, ufakazisa inyanga. Ngesikhathi esi-right, but as I said ukuthi ungakwenzi wedwa iba nomlaphi wendabuko ozoguide on that, because some people bayayenza into, for example a simple mistake yokuthi uthi uyabreaker uphethe isihlabathi sakho uyasivulela uyakhuluma unyathele phansi ngeenyawo ubheke inyanga ne, only to find that the spirits ezikuwe most of the time ezinamandla izikhaba ubaba mele kube ukuthi ubheke esayidini lesandla sakhaba ubaba. Mangabe uzobheka inyanga and then uyaphambanisa, uziphambanisela wena. Typical example uzovuka uthi uyayenza lento kanti before uzoya esikhathini bowulale nendoda wathi uceda kulala nendoda waya esikhathini ayisasebenzi. So you need umlaphi wendabuko to guide you through that. Insebenzo zamandulo hlezi udinga noma kungase umlaphi wendabuko ogogo abantu abadala. Yes, ogogo they can direct you ukuthi lento besiyenza kanjani. Akusiyinto abathanda ukuthi masihlele nje bese bayayixoxa. Into azokuhlebela yona masomlanda one on one. Gogo lento mina ngizwile bayikhuluma yezwa kanjani kahle uzokutshela ugogo.
That's why bathi indlela ibuza kwabaphambili.
Yes. Ubheke insebenzo zamanje neinsebenzo zakudala siyaphambana. Ngithi manje sifuna quick sisenza izinto fast si expect ama miracles siyathwala senzani kuba busy nje. But mandulo khona izinto bezenzwa especially abantu besimame bezenzwa ngendlela ekungukuthi uyakhona kuyipreventisa indoda ingazi ngoba bebezalisa Nkosi yami uthola ukuthi ugogo una 911 yabantwana. Beba nendlela ukuthi bakutshela ukuthi yenza kanje ukuze ungasakhoni ukuthi uconceive. Yenza kanje mawubona ngathi umntwana sekanje ubuza kugogo. As much as ugogo ukhona ukumbuza mangabe sowuzwa ukuthi manje sengipregnant. Ngipregnant and then manje ngiyobuza kugogo ukuthi gogo manje makunje kwenziwani nesintu. Isisu siyaboshwa, isisu siyasetshenzwa into ezinjalo ugogo uzokutshela. Right. Siyabophana thina abantu besifazana masesikhathini phathana. Siyabophana dali. And then waboshwa umuntu okhalayo asesikhathini. Remember being on your period akukho mnandi. Ne? And it's something that we go through every month. So being on that, bese ngikhaliswa na uwe. Nana ngizokulayitela ikhandlela elibovu ngikukhulekise. And siyayisebenzisa futhi period yethu la.
Aw.
Yes. Siyayisebenzisa. Intombazana iyakwazi ukubopha indoda ukuthi ingakhoni ukulalana namanye amantombazana ngeperiod. Uyakhona kumsebenzisela iperiod yakhe ayenze leyo nsebenzo ambophe. Oh, there's this thing bengithi ngibaxoxela ngayo ngithi mina ubhuti wami nengane as uantu wengane mangabe ngiyayisola leyo ngane ukuthi ubhuti wami ngathi bamshaya indlela. Ingane khona mangaba intombazana good shot ngiyokhona kumcheka ukuthi mina naye sigazi linye na
Kanjani manje?
mangabe esesikhathini.
How do you do that?
Yabona makuthiwa bo anti siyathakatha ngephethe yakhe. Ngiyogada mhla ngisesikhathini ngiyithathile iphethe yakhe ngibeke kahle mangifake emanzini ihlanganisa ne-pet yami period akhona kumele nginuke once yanuka akusigazi elilodwa hawu iperiod yami isifana ukuthi iperiod yami phela eyakhe fana ukuthi eyami sigazi linya ngithi mangabe iba nesimeli sithi sibeka amanzi akhona ubona sewashintsha iyakhahlelana akusiwa kithi.
Can I just ask you a question?
Okay.
I want to understand now, intimacy during period. Is it because...
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Both umuntu othwasile nongathwasile
Yeah,
kuyafana.
yeah, yeah.
Biologically. Mawulala nomuntu asesikhathini kumnandi futhi siyathembana akunankinga. Inkinga iba spiritually.
Okay.
Remember ukuthi thina siya absorb abantu besifazana but ngaleso sikhathi is for us to release. Angithi number 1 umzimba uyaziklina.
Okay.
Number 2 mina masesikhathini my vibrations are a bit higher. Now mangabe wena uzongena kimi it's easy for you to inherit my generational curses.
Oh.
Yes, it's easy for you ukuthatha our mama parties yashare ke manje. And the other thing that is blood covenant. Ne? Uzolala nami sesikhathini sijwayele ukuthi salala sesikhathini leyidalwa zakithi siyajwayela ukuthi thina sihlanganiswe igazi. At the end of the day bese wena uthi wena usangifuni. Hayi asangifuni. Ngaleso sikhathi mhlambe sihlukana nakabi. We took an oath mfethu ngegazi sinawo. And I remember ukuthi once siba intimate it's like abantu abaku trans. Iyashintshana lezi zinto lezi. And then manje siyiwane mina nawe asikwazi ukuhlukana. Once sahlukana khona ozosafara. And I'm telling you indoda because you were receiving by that time. Angithi mina igazi belikhona. It's my time to release.
But these days we're using condoms. It still affects.
Sihlangene.
Yeah.
Ngesikhathi kunegazi khona.
Yeah.
That's why ngithi spiritually, biologically it's fine. Spiritually it's not. Awukwazi ukulalana nami singathintani nangomjuluko.
Okay, true.
Angithi awukwazi lezi ama energies ayashintshana dali uzo inherit. Mangabe ekhaya ipoverty is in another level so inheritile. Mangabe ekhaya siyaganwa siyabuya so inheritile. Ingakho I always say ebantwini ngithi zama ukuthi uhlale uzicleanse. Don't wait ukuthi uhlolo eqala kuthiwa cleanse. Hlala uzicleanse wena. Because if you don't know usulala mina nawe kanti bengakaqedi. Yes kustopile kancane. Angithi kunokuba negap.
Okay.
Kustopile kancane. Mhlambe for an hour or so sengijabule ukuthi stopile baby kustopile salala. Kanti sasekhona. Cleanse yourself. Ibhat liba sekuthenini. Ulala nonashabalala usesikhathini. Uthandana nosibanibani futhi usesikhathini. Angithi C3 kuba yenye isekhele enzima sa inheritelana sonke. Ingakho abafana uzomfana athi yazi mina bengithandana nonashabalala besibe ngimnandi ngiyisebenzela ngi-right si-right nje endlini. Sinele sahlukana.
Sekuyabheda.
Into zami they're going down the drain azamsola inyanga ebuka uthola ukuthi bachitha amathambo ubuka nje uyadlula usekathi i-ex yakho igadlile or i-ex yakho ikubophile ingakho ngakhona ukuchubekela phambili angabukanga ukuthi makuthiwa izinto zimile because of i-ex what was the reason because it's possible ukuthi bekungenamuthi labantu bebejwayele ukulalana noma lo asesikhathini manje kubophekile ngoba abasekho together.
So kubalekile uma kuzohlolwa namathambo lawashaywayo ukuthi focus
inyanga mele ithi ukudika dibanyana because awukwazi ukuthi emntwini i-ex kubophile already somnikeze i-idea yokuthi khona umuthi phakathi. You are locked. Remember masikhuluma yazi mase kumnandi siyakhuluma phela ngomlomo wethu uwe wedwa angeke nje akekho omunye la uyakhona ngikhona ngaleso sikhathi khona igazi in between bese siyahlukana lento i-recorded na it's recorded uyohlala nentombazana uyithole nje umuntu oyela le uthi ngithi ngizama futhi uthe wena on blood covenant uye yedwa angeke mina ngizomthatha omunye umuntu noma kungaba njani uwe wedwa usho kanjani.
Okay, let's come to this one now, the intimacy during pregnancy now. I was asking you about the period season, now the pregnancy.
It's necessary.
Okay.
It's necessary ukuthi umuntu wesifazana alale nomuntu wakhe maka-preg. It's necessary. Only if uyazazi indoda ukuthi you are clean, awugijimi lapha nalapha because you're bringing in imimoya endlini. Angithi? But mangabe uyazazi ukuthi wena uright, awumchithela umuntu wakho, mina personally, I don't see a problem because you have to feed ingane yakho. You have to. That bond iba khona. Remember, mawuzulala nomuntu wakho ngeke nje uthi bheka le bese uyangana. Manje kucela kudlalisana. Ingane adopts that ukuthi abazali bayathandana. And then mele yenza futhi ukuthi kube lula umuntu wesifazana atete kalula mangabe hlezi elala nomuntu wakhe. So it's important. It's important. Siyahlukumezeka abantu besifazana umuntu ngimtshela ukuthi ngipreg bese ayihambelela leke yena akasangeni akafuna ingane yena bekangekho ready in okay sharp but umntwana ufidwa ba yini ezomenza ukuthi afile loved. Mina phela yonke into uyi-adopta kuma wakhe. Uma wakhe if she feels ukuthi uyathandwa, if she feels ukuthi uspecial, bamgona bamuthi, umntwana uyayizwa leyo nto leyo from ubabakhe. Angithi manje mangabe sewuhamba le yimi ngipreg ngizoface i9 months ngedwa. Number 1 ngiyabalisa. Number 2 mele ngibona iplan ngengane, I'm planning ngenzani. Umntwana uyayithatha futhi leyo. Yingakho siba nalento ukuthi umntwana makasekazelwe kuba naleyo push ne-anger yokuthi amasiko akhabo baba wona ngiyawafuna. Ingane isaseyincane hayibo mela yobikwa umntwana sakayagula emfethu phela yenza phela into zabantu abadala because of umntwana lo azange ayizwe lento from ubaba wakhe weyayidemanda ke manje. Remember umntwana makasazalwa asasemncane usafana nedlozi usafana nema guardians uzoyifuna ngenkani ke and bayalayana laba balayo uvela phuma iduplicate yakho uvela phuma awuwe nje ngenkani.
So ubungozi because now the beauty, of course you did mention ukuthi if ungacheat, so I do believe ukuthi the danger is when one is cheating.
Mangabe wena ugijima nonashabalala kwenziwani ngaleso sikhathi unashabalala sekayibhekele wena sekane ma intentional wrong siyanibopha phela ngithi sababopha amadoda phela mangibona ngathi imali khona ngikuyela iplanini ngiyablock knowing ukuthi unomuntu ngenzela ukuthi ungangiphunyuki angithi khona izinto engizenzayo mhlambe mawuzoza ngiyashave kamnandi mangiceda lapho khona izinto engizenzayo ngogeza ngomuthi noma ngiyogeza ngani ngiyashucela mawufika wena uzwa kumnandi nje into ongayazi baqeda lapho ubuyela emuntwani wakho umuntu wakho okungukuthi unengane esiswini lo ngane iyahogela. Ingakho abantu bakhona banama complication kuma pregnancy umuntu wakhona akapheli esibhedlela ngapha. Alright kubalekile ukuthi once you find out ukuthi pregnant ngaphandle ukuthi ogogo bakho bakuyise zama ukuthi uthole umlaphi wendabuko akubophele yona. Awukwazi ukuthemba indoda. Awukwazi ukuthemba indoda. Indoda ngitshela kuthiwa usemsebenzini uyakhona ukushaya 2 minutes ase toilet. Abuye ekhaya abuye ngesikhathi. Awusoli next. but ukubuyele nemimoya ibophe ipregnancy yakho khona izinto ezenziwayo khona izihlambezo sebenzisa into zesintu uma pregnant ngoba labantu laba mangabe uzokulethela lezi zinto from outside zilimaza ingane abanye uzothola umntwana khona abuya ngama 7 months omunye uthola ukuthi kancane kune threat ukuthi lo mntwana ngathi uzophuma lo mntwana kanjani or uma wakhona self agule.
Oh wow.
So kuba nzima ngcono ke mangabe uyazazi mfethu ungamthinta umuntu wakho. Simple protector ingane.
Wow.
But futhi mangabe uzolala naye embedeni kuzoba inkingi. Ngoba you have uzephela na muscle ties. Siyaphefumulelana la. Ngipreg.
Siyabambana phela ngithi.
Ngiyofuna ukucamela phela. Ngipreg. Remember sinama hormones. Nene ngiba emotional out of the blue. I need you to be my shoulder to cry on out of the blue. Uzongibamba phela.
And then you transfer all these spirits.
Yes. And ingane iba nenkingi.
Wow, Papa Shabalala, your word of wisdom. You know we still need to come back and do the masculine one, and I need to shoot with Ukehla Lapaya. Your word of wisdom.
Ngithe ngizobatshela ngithi ngizobaplug.
Plug pen.
Mangabe uyazazi ukuthi indoda yakho uwumgijimi. And wena uyazazi ukuthi you are maintaining the relationship financially. And you feel ukuthi wena uyamthanda ngeke uzumdedele. Angathi maka nawe uyakukhohlisa but you know ukuthi khona umgijimani. Uthatha iperiod yakho, ipad yakho, khona umuthi osithi hlala. Angathi uthatha ithawele lani benisula khona nini ukhipha umthungu wakhona la khona o1 no 2
Uma senza into yami mina masenza into yethu.
Yes.
Okay.
Ukhipha lo mthungu waqeda lapho ubopha leya pad uyayikhulumisa ungafaki into eziningi faka nje uhlala.
Uhlala. Yini uhlala?
Umuthi.
Umuthi. Okay.
Yeah. Mangabe umuntu owaziyo ukuthi ngathi sekafuna ukuba serious kuphi angithi nini sesiyabona ukuthi okay ungayenza le but mangabe uyabona ukuthi ngathi usekafuna ukuba serious kuphi kasekazongilamanisa official and uyabona ukuthi uwe o maintainer i relationship ungakwenzi mangabe umntwana abantu uyakondla ukunakekele just uyifunela omunye bese uyambopha cha mangabe uwe oyikhiphayo
uyamkhumbula Dr. Adil lentambe bovu nangokuya
so Moses esikhathini uyakwazi ukuyibopha indoda yakho mangabe uyabona ukuthi ngathi ngizolamaniswa but imali yakho kule relationship mase wenze lokho ivale ngelokho nani
kodwa makuyona eyenza lokho ungayibophi
hayi ungambophi umntwana abantu as long as akondla lapho ngiyabakhulumela akayenze whatever silenge sikunokudla kunento zokudeza ngigcoka mina eyami futhi ngiyayikhulula as long as ngiyi right no problem.
Yo my matches la kwa matches and thoughts uzobezwa bathakathi bethakathe mina nangomunye namhlanje ukhuluma ngentambo le
Okay ngizwe indaba ngiyacela bafethu manenza izinsebenzo lezi ngoba bengiloku ngibaplaga kwamanye ama video ngiyacela ungayihlabi iperiod yakho ngenaliti ungathi mawusebenza lezi zinto bese usebenzisa amanaliti wayeke ngoba as much as uthi uhlaba yena uyasihlaba ngokwakho wena uzoba worse ngoba igazi elakho. Makhosi angigucisa
I this video. But anyway, darlings, don't forget to order my book. It ends in purpose. This book is only 220, but it's 360 if I need to send this book to you. Darlings, let's take it to number 1 as well, like we did on my own. This is your copy anyway.
Yes.
Please do read this book. It's very interesting. You know, last time I was writing about me, and if you can look at the covers, you see this cover, I'm matured, I'm in a happy space. Like I don't care.
It's
I'm
at
40.
the end.
When we are 40, we don't care.
Yeah.
So yeah, it ends in purpose. I did on my own, so you'll understand. It's a beautiful read. You just read and like, oh wow, and then yeah. So thank you so much.
Kodwa mele uyenze phela ngeaudio futhi. sikokhona kuyilalela siyilalela phela masi-driver le
Dabula
ukuthi
ungalo
ngihlale
always
kanje
tells me,
ngoba sihlala
I
siseyindumbeni
will think about it, but anyway, Gogo, I want to say thank you so much for
Yes,
your
yes.
time, and I know it's late, but you're still here.
yeah
On that note, it's a wrap. I'll see you soon. Khetha,
Cheers.
uya sizoshootha.